me. And so Jasata Samananancha Dasanang, venerable scenes, etc. in the world, great auspicious thing. Time or these qualities gathering is the very important. These things gathering is very important. Actually, because of the daily our business so busy, time is very less. Really got this opportunity. Dada Deepak invited to me few days ago, maybe 2 3 days ago, no? But no time. Really chose this time. Between that, our internet was also weak. In the weak internet, in the busy time, as my energy, I am going to the interview for the time being. Okay. I think Samananancha Dasana meaning etc. you are know well, no? Shortly mentioned. Dasanam paham bhikkhave baham karang vadami. Dear Lord Buddha said, dear great Lord Venerable, that great Venerable saying merit is so great, high. Because while the saying Venerable, for the citizens once are standing where the caps are removing and bowing, starting talk, and they are start after talking, starting practice sila and samadhi and prajna. And what is the real dhamma? Starting learn, collecting so great merit. By this dasanam public Vamkaravadami, yes, by this merit. Evan dasana mulakenapi punyena anikan jati sahasani chakumi rogovadahva sudavana pikavanti. Like this great merit, by like this great merit, up to 100,000 life, more than many 100,000 life, will not eye sickness, eye pain, eye hot pain, and small bubble, etc. And especially not will cancer in eye, many 100,000 life, and full clear scene with the 5 color beautiful eyes will because of that great scene merit. And Chakumi Ratramimana Ghatat Mankavat Sadsan Honti. That eyes, gold gems mix, very beautiful body, have special two eyes that is also like gems. Finally, human devas luxuries completing, reaching to the final destination mean supermundane stage. Supermundane mean Magapala. That much great merit is there venerable in merit in that venerable in merit. You are time to time more cultivating that great merit. By this great merit, your wisdom fulfilling solely will reach to the liberation. Okay, the time we can start our interview.
Sadhu Bhante. Bhante, there is our meditator, but she is a Sayali now, she want to she get the practice from Bhante Arananda, but she's not able to understand. So I'm going to translate for her only. But yeah, she you already know her. So she did first jhana to fourth jhana, that hardness to pushing, and then four element or first to eight jhana. Then Bante give her Chakku Dasaka Kalapa, Sota Dasaka Kalapa, Ghana Dasaka Kalapa, Jiva Dasaka Kalapa, Kaya Dasaka Kalapa, 1 to 9. 1 to 9 plus 1 to 9 plus Chakku Pasada, uh, Sota Dasaka Kalapa, 1 to 9 plus Sota Pasada, Ghana Dasaka Kalapa, 1 to 9 plus Ghana Pasada, Jiva Dasaka Kalapa, 1 to 9 plus Jiva Pasada, Kaya Dasaka Kalapa 1 to 9 plus Kaya Pasada. So she asking how she can do. She listening, but she is not able to unmute the call. So I will just tell her. And
Mm,
and Bante also say must do determination. Determination take to the transparent or non-transparent opaque means Kalapa.
did she practice hardness, roughness, softness, etc.?
Yes, Bante, she finished.
Already completed. And
Uh,
did she see clearly four element and color order test, etc.?
Yes, she already finished four element with I think eight jana.
In Jan also. Uh-huh.
Yes, Bante.
Then it is simple that in the eye,
Yes,
uh,
Bante.
we have to first see elements, water, fire, wind.
Uh,
I'll
okay. I
see
uh,
there is the clear element, non-clear elements.
okay.
In that clear elements, can see Chakku Dasaka, it is we have to reflect Chakku Pasada. While the
Yes.
reflecting Chakku Pasada, we can see clearly that I element Chakku Pasada.
Okay.
That is we have to focus. And someone while the practicing I element, they can't clearly see that I element. Then she have to that meditators have to determine it come to the become clear my I element.
Okay.
While the determination can see very clearly elements, it is like a mirror pieces.
Okay.
That is so clear. Out colors are impinging in that.
Okay, ma'am.
The impingination together, we have to understand this is the I element.
Okay.
In that I element have earth, water, fire, wind, four element together. The other nine, especially life faculties, and the other eight. The
Okay.
10. That way, eye, ear, nose, tongue, uh, uh, and mind-o and body-do, every elements can see clearly step by step.
Mhm. Okay.
According to this mention, it will cannot. She can contact me by WhatsApp.
She she also saying that in Kalapa Chakku Pasada
Yes,
sensitive response to the color, sound, smell, taste, and Pathavi Tejo Vayu. Apo.
yes. With that, have life faculty.
No life faculty Bante.
Uh-huh. Never mind. It is better she can call to me by WhatsApp because I have to ask from her detailfully step by step.
Also, she's saying I do have 30 rupa. Uh, uh,
Yes, kind
Chakku.
of about the sector,
Ye-
Kamma
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
So she asking that how to check the 30 rupa with the eye door, ear door, nose door, tongue door, and body door.
Same way, after training eye, have to go to the ear. Ear also firstly have to see separately to find that 8. With
Yeah.
the 8 life faculty, that is together 9. And ear element. Ear element. So tapasada, ear element, we can see clearly, we can understand that ear element getting out sound, impinging sound in ear element. On that, we can understand this is the ear element. It also clear element between that others. Same way nose, same way tongue, same way body. But body door small differences are there. Body door impinging earth, fire, wind, three elements.
Okay.
This way step by step can see clearly elements that who have good concentration. Once can practice element clearly, then that way step by step elements after that mental factors and dependent origination step by step can go up. Finally, can clearly understand wholesome, unwholesome, especially 8 path prosum, right wave, etc. That way, practicing finally all the mental material, dependent origination, etc. What happening that is just arising, passing situation can see clearly. That is a impermanent suffering non-self. On that practice, attain to the Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Anagami, Maggapada, step by step. Especially she can call to me and can understand how to practice. They
Okay.
give to me 1
Okay.
minute, one charge is not enough.
Yeah.
You can ask.
Okay, but I will told her also I will connect with you
Yes.
on the conference. अं,
Okay.
अजून अजून कोणाला काही प्रश्न आहेत का? म्हणजे आज म्हणते आहेत तर तुम्ही तुमच्या ध्यानाबद्दल विचारू शकता. आहे, होतं, नाही होत, काय होतं, तुम्ही कसं करता सगळं सांगा.
Yes. Can ask.
येस. कोणाला ध्यानाबद्दलचे प्रश्न आहेत का? विचारा.
No, they are meditation questions.
येस येस हॅव पण येस विचारा.
वंदन बनते
Yes.
सर ट्रान्सलेट कराल तुम्ही. तर माझा प्रश्न आहे की मी प्रयत्न करत आहे पण मला असं वाटतच नाही मी समोर जात आहे म्हणून.
She's saying that she's trying but she's saying that she trying but she feeling she not getting progress.
What is the object?
कोणतं ध्यान करता मॅडम तुम्ही?
आपण सर
She doing आनापाना बनते.
How long?
किती दिवसापासून तुम्ही सातत्यानं करताय?
सेशन चालू असल्यापासूनच करत आहे सर.
She is saying from last 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
कंटिन्यू करता मॅम?
हो.
Drowsiness is there, that is the problem, no?
येस म्हणते.
Drowsy. Sleeping
Yes.
with that.
येस म्हणते.
That is the problem.
येस येस.
She have to do walking meditation. Long time
तुम्ही
back.
मॅडम आळस करता का ध्यानामध्ये?
नाही. झोप नाही येत मला ध्यानामध्ये.
झोप येत नाही. बर. रेग्युलर करता का रोज?
हो, रेग्युलर असते सर.
She saying she is regular but she not feeling drowsiness.
Not feeling.
Not feeling.
Mm-hmm. What happened in while the practicing monkey mind or restlessness?
जेव्हा तुम्ही ध्यान करता त्यावेळेस जास्त विचार असता का? का तुम्ही जास्त भटकता त्या याच्यापासून, विषयापासून?
हा, विचार असतात सर. कधी कधी
Many
विचार ध्यानावर येते.
she have the thoughts बनते in her practice.
That means she have to change her object meditation object.
Yes.
Breath meditation, it's a very smooth object. On that mindfulness can be weak. She can start 32 parts meditation. Firstly, only chanting at least 15 days, 32 parts.
पण ते म्हणतात
5 parts by 5 parts learning, chant at least 15 days, only chanting.
ओके ओके. काल मी 32 पार्ट ग्रुप मध्ये टाकले होते मॅडम. तोच विषय बनतेने तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे. तर ते जे 32 पार्ट आहे त्या सगळ्या शब्दांना इंग्लिश मधून मराठीत ट्रान्सलेट करा गुगल ट्रान्सलेटचा वापर करून, किंवा घरामध्ये ज्यांना चांगली इंग्लिश समजते त्यांना विचारा. ते 32 पार्ट मॅडम 32 पार्ट जे आहे 15 दिवस तुम्हाला चॅन्टिंग करायचे आहेत, म्हणायचे आहेत. पालीमध्ये म्हणा वाटलं तर आणि मराठीमध्ये म्हणा. ज्याच्यात तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित समजेल ते 32 पार्ट रोज तुम्हाला चॅन्ट करायचे. ठीक आहे.
Yes, after chanting, slowly start to focus that parts. While the chanting here, mentally have to see what are the here. Thinking these are here. Body here, this is mentally seeing, have to chant. That way also 15 days at least.
तर चॅन्टिंग झालं मॅम, जसं तुम्ही 32 पार्ट म्हटले 2 वेळेस 5 वेळेस 10 वेळेस. त्याच्यानंतर म्हणतायत की तुम्ही मनाद्वारे चित्र बघायचंय केसांचं आणि त्याच्यावर फोकस करायचंय. बॉडी हेअर, हेड हेअर, जे 5 पार्ट आहेत पहिले त्यांच्यावर तुम्ही हळूहळू बघायचंय. ओके.
This way started. While the going up, how to talk.
येस. जर तुम्ही या पद्धतीने गेले आणि जर तुम्हाला काही प्रगती दिसली, की जसं की तुम्ही त्या विषयावर व्यवस्थित राहते विदाऊट विचार, तर तुम्ही म्हणतायत की समोर पुन्हा विचारायचं मग.
ठीक आहे सर. मग सकाळच्या सेशन मध्ये आनापान नाही करायचं का?
तुम्ही आनापाना नाही करायचं आता. तुम्ही 15 दिवस हे करायचंय. ऑलरेडी काल 32 पार्ट टाकलेले आहेत. त्याला तुम्ही मराठीमध्ये ट्रान्सलेट करा. ठीक आहे. ओके.
Yes. The questions?
येस म्हणते.
नमो बुद्धाय सर.
बोला.
तिरुवंतनाय म्हणते.
Sir,
सर मला ना मेत्ता ध्यान आणि बुद्धानुसती केलं तर माझं ध्यान होते, पण जेव्हा आनापानसती करते ना तर मला खूपच विचार येतात. होतच नाही माझं. हॅलो
Yes.
सर, आवाज येतो का?
Her, Bhante, she's saying that when she do the anapana, she have the many wandering thoughts, but when she do the metta and buddha anusati, she not have the wandering thoughts.
Okay. Anyone, not problem. She can continue Buddhanusati up to concentration and do metta up to concentration dhyana level and go step by step, deep and deep.
पण ते म्हणतायत की ज्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला चांगलं वाटतंय, जसं मेत्तामध्ये वाटलं तर ठीक आहे किंवा बुद्धानुसतीमध्येही वाटलं तर ठीक आहे. एक विषय घ्या आणि तुम्ही त्याच्यामध्येच राहून समाधीपर्यंत जा हळूहळू.
ठीक आहे सर. थँक्यू.
Some people asking in the chat box that they have the wandering thoughts and some have the drowsiness, some have the sleepiness.
Mhm. Yeah. Actually, according to the different meditators, in front of teaching, near the teacher, teaching practice, this all the problem can overcome easily.
Yeah.
These 5 sentences are always we have to understand clearly these are defilement. Because of this defilement, we can't go further. What are the defilement? Kamachanda, Vyapada, Tina Midha, Uddhacha Kukucha, Vijagicha, no? That's you are not translate. And while the practicing will there Kamachanda, we have to understand, oh, it is no good. My inside craving, thinking, etc., it is not suitable for me. I am now removing that. Same way, hatred thoughts. Hatred mean unhappy, and yes, that is many words are there. That anger, hatred, that is also hindrances. It is not suitable like me. I am practicing always good. Don't arise inside. That way we have to read our mind. While reading our mind, have to go further and deep, little by little, understanding fully, knowledgefully, cultivate mindfulness. It will bring your happiness.
Okay. Another question. Unmute करा please. छत्रपति UK unmute करा.
हाँ सर, वंदा में बनते.
Yes, we have to.
हाँ सर, मी मेत्ता करते तर मेत्ता होतं व्यवस्थित. आणि पण ते पण करते, पण असं वाटत नाही मला पण काही प्रोग्रेस होते म्हणून.
Okay.
Yes.
Everybody asking Bhante that if somebody do metta, they but not get not happy with the anapana. Yeah, some have the good in Anapana, some are the good in the Metta. So the main problem is the wandering thoughts. All they have.
Yes. Actually, it need reduce wandering thought. We should continue our practice daily. And at least 2 weeks continuously practice daily 3-4 hours. Surely result are coming. Many members are practicing short time. After that, cultivating intention. How get jhana difficulties there. Please you try to be mindful always everywhere. While the eating, while the bathing, while the walking, in the job also we have to be mindful with the intentions that way cultivating. Result is sure. Members can get jhana and deep knowledge also in present period. Many people many hope for future with the material. We have to move from material hopes to immaterial hope. Immaterial hope will give a good result. Mean impermanent suffering ourselves practicing, thinking, understanding in the world, not any permanence. Everything's are impermanent. On the impermanent, cultivating hope is nothing result. Hopes giving up will result. That way, have to cultivate our knowledge, wisdom. It will bring our final fruit.
ते म्हणतात की जी प्रगती होत नाही मोस्टली तर आपण ध्यान करतो आणि त्यानंतर आपण दुर्गुणांना बळी पडतो. आपण आपल्या कामछंद, व्यापार, निमित्त जे आहे याला बळी पडतो. ज्यावेळेस आपण या दुर्गुणांना बळी पडतो त्यावेळेस आपली जी ध्यानाची जी प्रगती असते ती कुंठित होऊन जाते. ते पण त्यांनी थोडंसं विश्लेषणात्मक सांगितलं हे सर्व. तर तुम्ही रेकॉर्डिंग मध्ये पुन्हा एकदा ऐकून घ्या. There is a one question, Bhante. She having metta practice. So first she say that her light in metta is changing white to yellow and green, and it is not going ahead. Sometime it is white and then changing sometime yellow, green, but it is not going ahead. So what she have to do?
How long this?
किती दिवसापासून लाईट आहे आणि चेंज होते? One month बनते.
1 month. How long? How long for a day? How many hours?
किती तास बसता तुम्ही दिवसात? किती तास बसता तुम्ही एका दिवसात? बनते 2 hour. Every day 2 hour sitting.
Good practice. Actually, daily 2 hour practice is good. Please continue. And please continue your metta meditation up to that light. After rise light, it will change it to different color, no?
Yes,
While
Bhante.
that, she have to slowly move to the body parts. Hair, body hair, nail, teeth, skin. Enter that, it will give new result.
ओके. तर बंधे म्हणतायत की तुम्ही मेत्ताच्या द्वारे लाईट पर्यंत पोहोचा. जेव्हा तुम्ही लाईट पर्यंत पोहोचाल तर तिथून तुम्ही पुन्हा जे अक्षराचे जे 32 पाठ आहे त्या ध्यानावर पोहोचायचं आहे लाईटच्या द्वारे तिथून. त्याच्यानंतर जेव्हा तुम्ही ते करसाल तर तुम्हाला नवीन रिझल्ट येतील. हेड, एअर, बॉडी, एअर. येस. Yes, and another question is, for overcome on thoughts, it is okay to do 10-minute anapana, 10-minute counting, 10-minute Puttanusati in one session.
That means 40 minutes in protection meditation. After that, how long practice main object?
So she's saying in one sitting, can we do anapana, Buddhanusati and counting?
Counting mean anapana counting.
Yeah, counting, and then Buddhanusati and
Can do, but don't combine two object. Anapana with the Buddhanusati is no suitable, no good. Anapana can count 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 8, 1 to 9, 1 to 10. That counting, okay. Buddhanusati don't count, no need to count. Buddhanusati 9 qualities up and down. Few ways are there, no? What are suitable ways can use? Buddhanusati period, Buddhanusati, that one session we can make few period, no?
yes.
First 10 minute Buddhanusati. Second 10 minute Anapana. That way is okay. But don't combine two together.
Okay, man. Also, one more question. Unmute
Yes.
करा.
हॅलो, आवाज येतो सर माझा?
बोला तुम्ही.
तिरुवन सर नाही म्हणते जी.
Okay, असं नाही.
मी सकाळचं सेशन करते सर, पण दुपारच्या सेशनला 10 मिनिटं बसले तरी खूपच आळस येत आहे सर, कंटाळा येत आहे मेडिटेशन करायचा.
She have the drowsiness and laziness also.
We start walking meditation, left, right, take input in, move input in, a step, at least one step, 20 minutes.
Okay. वॉकिंग, मॅडम तुम्ही वॉकिंग मेडिटेशन करायचं म्हणतायत म्हणते. जेव्हा तुम्ही वॉकिंग मेडिटेशन करता तर तुमचे जे फीट आहे त्या फीटला तुम्ही हळूहळू एकदम स्लोली वॉकिंग करायचं आहे. जसं की उचलत आहात, त्याच्यानंतर म्हणजे वर येते पाय, त्याच्यानंतर उचलत आहात, नंतर ठेवत आहात. या पद्धतीनं म्हणजे प्रत्येक पाऊल जो आहे तो एकदम सूक्ष्मरित्या तुम्ही त्याची कृती बघायची आहे 20 मिनिटासाठी. या प्रकारे मेडिटेशन करा.
ओके, थँक्यू सर. थँक्यू म्हणते.
आणि त्यांना तिरुवन सर नाही नसतात म्हणत. ओके, वंदामी म्हणायचं कधी पण.
सॉरी.
नाही, सॉरी नका. त्यानंतर जो प्रश्न आहे, one more question. Yeah. Every day doing meditation but no progress. Same.
How to judge? Is there meter?
I don't know, but only saying that every day doing dhyana but no progress. But I don't know which kind of dhyana she doing, what she doing, how many hours she doing. No explanation. There's only one line.
Yeah, maybe jhana. Understand not a jhana. She is.
Yeah, dhyana.
Jhana.
No jhana. It is dhyana.
No jhana.
Dhyana
Yes.
means dhyana. Dhyana means meditation, Bante, in Marathi.
Yes. That is. Do you know our Lord Buddha, who Asankhya cultivated his wisdom together with other parami? After enter the forest, after leaves his house, etc., went to the forest, no? In the forest, 6 years he practiced. After that, he enlightened, no? It is immediately we can't do attaining. Daily practicing, we are cultivating our qualities. While the cultivating qualities, other side, reducing hindrances. It will sure your fruit, final fruit. Please continue your meditation daily, and while the practicing, time changing is better. Your object, it is properly Buddhanusati, and Metta, and 32 parts of Asubha, and dead meditation. After that, Anapana. Again, same way, time changing will continue. Surely will come your luxury.
तर भंतेने म्हटलं की इवन भगवान बुद्धांना सुद्धा 4 असंख्य कल्प लागले होते त्यांच्या पारमिता पूर्ण करण्यासाठी आणि 6 वर्ष ते कंटिन्यू बसले होते. त्यानंतरच त्यांना जे बुद्धत्व प्राप्ती झाली होती. तर कंटिन्युटी खूप महत्वाची आहे हेच भंते सांगतायत. ओके. अजून कोणाचे काही प्रश्न आहेत का? भंते, हाऊ टू इम्प्रूव्ह श्रद्धा ऑन संघा?
That is need to complete Sanganusati. Especially Sanganusati and learning is also very important Sangha quality. And Sangha qualities learning is very important, and always living with the Sangha, that also growing Saddha, and practice Sanganusati, practice also cultivating that faith, step by step, attaining. While the attain to the Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Anagami, that is naturally coming, please continue up to Aranship. Sangha, Saddha is completing up to fulfill.
ओके. तर संघानुसती करावी लागेल. प्रश्न होता की संघावर श्रद्धा कशी वाढवायची? तर ते म्हणतात की संघाच्या सोबत राहणं, त्यांना पाहणं, त्यानंतर संघानुसती करणं, यामुळे तुमची संघाच्या विषयी श्रद्धा वाढेल.
Sangha Sila reflecting very important. 4 kinds: Patumokkha Sangha Sila, Indriya Sangha Sila, Paccasannati Sila, etc. And on the Sila, they are practicing concentration, jhana, 8 attainment, after that deep knowledges. These are Sangha's quality, no?
Yes.
Material jhana, immaterial jhana, and supermundane jhana. Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Anagami, Arhat. These are reflecting its natural growing that faith for Sangha. It is very important. Especially while the attaining Sotapanna, that person once attained to Sotapanna, he will not reborn in 4 hell. 7 life can, within 7 life can complete this samsara journey. Their faith is strong. Anybody cannot change their faith because they know what is the real path for liberation. And by the attaining Sotapanna, that qualities inside growing, and wrong view 100% removing with the attaining Sotapanna, and doubts about Dhamma, not any kinds doubt while the attaining Sotapanna, and other that Silapata Paramasana, that also 100% removing attaining Sotapanna. After that, faith become strong, will not shaking faith. And while the attaining Sakadagami, that means that together other reducing desire and reducing hatred, attaining anagam. After attaining anagami, 100% removing those hatred, that mind not any kinds hatred, mean jealous or jealous, unhappy mind, anger, nothing. 100% removing, attain to the anagami. And desire also not a kernel desire, that means human desire, human sensuality, etc. Nothing. They have desire for reborn immaterial level in Akasana Chayatana, Vijnana Chayatana, Rupa, Arupa. That means only desire for Brahmas, not a Deva, not a human. Anagami. Their faith is too strong, cannot shake any moment, nothing shaking. It is like a pillar. And after Arahantship, faith is like a big rock, nothing shaking. After Sotapanna, not any kinds doubt. We have put the Dhamma Sangha. That means faith is become permanent. Achala Saddha, attaining to Sotapanna, that Saddha become Achala mean, Chala mean shaking, non-chala, non-shaking. After that, have to cultivate step by step. Dhamma knowledge is very, very important. Sangha quality knowledge is very, very important. That is learning can cultivate faith. You can read now that Sasanavatana book. It is very important. In Sasanavatana, but the book mentioned clearly Buddha's quality, Dhamma quality, Sangha quality, and Sila and enlighten everything. You can read that books. It is very important. While reading, you can cultivate, you can make strong faith.
There's a two more question, Bante.
Will you translate that is later?
Sorry, Bante.
That translation will go.
Yeah, I will translate later, Bante. I will translate. That there's a she practicing from 3 year in Anapana. She have the blue color, but yeah, she asking how many hours should I do the metta or continue Anapana?
How long that blue color? Is there any other colors? Did she see?
बनते प्रश्न विचारतात की तो जो ब्ल्यू कलर आहे किती वेळ आहे किंवा त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त काही आहे का? She is saying continue blue color. मॅडम प्लीज हँड रेस करा आणि विचारा सर मी असं टेक्स्ट करताय.
Please continue Anapana after blue color. After
Okay.
that, it is a blue, no?
Yes,
is
ma'am.
blue. Please move to the blue color casino.
Okay.
Maintain blue.
Okay. I will tell about it.
Yes, it will become strong. Then please expand up to boundless and collect to the top.
Okay, okay Bhante. I will tell how to.
Okay. Good.
मॅम मला कॉल करा बनतेंनी तुम्हाला ब्ल्यू कसिना प्रॅक्टिस ना बनते.
Yes, blue castle.
ओके मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. Bante, there is a question. What if person have low paramita, means lower the paramita, his paramita
Yes.
is not good. Even though he can be Sotapanna or Arhat in this Buddha Sasana?
How can do? Paramita is the qualities for liberation, no?
Yes.
Without fulfilling qualities, how can do? That is example. You are going to the shop for buy something. Huh? Need to for that 100 rupees. You have 50 rupees. So you can buy that things
No, Bante.
like this. You need to attend to the Mankapala. You have to cultivate your parami and 8 Patrusham and 37 factors. Huh? Without cultivating, we can't enlighten. Day by day, we'll try to cultivate, fulfill parami. Day by day, reach into the liberation, cut off in hell. Do that. No need to hurry. We was out of the path long samsara. Now we are in the path. Step by step, it will come your uh, final put.
ओके. तर प्रश्न होता की जर पारमिता नसल्या तर आपण याच जन्मामध्ये स्वतःपर्यंत ते अनंतपर्यंत होऊ शकतात का? तर बनतेने उदाहरण दिलं की जर तुमच्याकडं तुम्ही एखाद्या दुकानात गेले आणि दुकानात गेल्यानंतर तुमच्याजवळ जर फक्त 50च रुपये आणि वस्तू जर 100 रुपयाची आहे तर तुम्ही घेऊ शकाल का? तर उत्तर आहे नाही, आपण नाही घेऊ शकत. तर सेम पद्धतीनं पारमिता आहे. पारमिता असतील त्याच वेळेस आपण तिथपर्यंत जाऊ शकतो किंवा ते आपण घेऊ शकतो. याच्यावरून तुम्ही समजू शकता. एक प्रश्न अजून आहे की Bhante, somebody asking what if someone claiming attainment, then how he can be? If someone claiming the attainment,
Claiming.
if someone saying she's saying that if someone saying he is anagami, arhat, or sotapanna or sakadagami, how he can be then?
In this present period, many is like that.
Uh,
That is the actually wrong view. Who had attained to the anagamihood, sotapanno, sakadagami, anagami, wants not to mention that is. That is know himself and once know one's stage and other who are the same quality, same level, they can understand them. That way, a Sotapanna person can understand Sotapanna. Sakadagami person can understand Sakadagami and Sotapanna. And Anagami person can understand Sakadagami, Anagami, Sakadagami, Sotapanna. Arhan person can understand clearly this person, Arhan this person, Anagami this person, Sakadagami this person, Sotapanna. They can understand clearly. Who have attained once are not mentioned, that is their level. Who is mentioned that means once is empty, they have to learn Tipitaka well, and especially they have to discuss Vedas teachers together. That is clearly mentioned in the Pitaka, Chabisotana Sutta, etc. Once in light, after that, they are not to mention their quality. Because they are cut off their view, wrong view. They are, don't like to say I complete this stage. There are no inside, no body. And that once mentioned, I am in light. That means he is saying I am empty person. In Sri Lanka, many now not a Sotapanna, not a Sakadagami, not Anagami, not Arhan. In Sri Lanka now, Lord Buddha also. They are mentioned their ego. They are saying, I am empty person in the world. Saying to the people. Once enlightened, they are hiding. They are silence. According to the Tipitaka, and I know enlightened in the world. Some enlightened I know because I had to translate their interview time. They are always be silent. Someone blaming today, they are nothing problem. They are silent. And someone jealous for them, they are silent. Actually, yesterday, I had to give advice to the in Sri Lanka. Who the doctors, Director General in Sri Lanka, Doctor Director General. Somebody saw complain to him. He's wrong. Some judgment judge it. Is your person. One doctor is asking me, "Hey, Bante, we have a small case. Our Director General, somebody saw complain to the Director General, but he is silent, full silence. He encouraged to go to the court. He don't like to go to the court. Why? That complaint for them. That recovering, not myself. If you need to see who is the correct, that's the judgment. They will do their job. I am not going to judge in front of people. No need to important for me. I know what are the inside my qualities. I know that is I no need to mention to the people. If need to the see that for people have to do that. Not myself going to mention. That is actually not a supermanded person, not a Sotapanna Sakadagami. He is practicing Dhamma. He know what is a Dhamma. That is why he is not going to mention self qualities, good or bad. The kernel people. How about the supermundane? Nothing mentioned anything. They are full silence. But someone know that person qualities. Really, they can mention for encourage the others. In person, but not like that. I am Sotapanna mentioned. Lord Buddha said they are biggest Dinadana person who how to say robbers. And someone say Sakadagami, they are the higher than Sotapanna robber. Anagami is actually that is not good quality. Greatest things is the Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Anagami. That enlightened are not to mention every Jansen, I am Sotapanna, I am Sakadagami, I am Anagami. There are no inside quality. It is protecting to them, not to mention to the others. Actually, it's not a time for Dhamma talk about Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Anagami. I will try to give Dhamma talk one time how to attain in Sotapanna and after attaining, how about the insight qualities? How to attain in Sakadagami and Anagami. After attaining Anagamihood, in lay life also they are practicing Upasampada Sila. Upasampada Sila mean high ordained morality. They cannot mention their quality. It is Upasampada Sila. After attaining Sotapanna stage, they are not any time, any moment, anywhere, 5 precepts. There are command is mentioned. One person added to Sotapanna. After that, king thought, is not attaining Sotapanna. I want to judge it. And because that king got doubt, is this Sotapanna or not Sotapanna person? And that king thought to judge it. King give one chicken to kill to that person. That person say, the king, I can't do this. Will you punish to me? And punish, I will face to me death. Will you kill me? It also okay, nothing problem. I can't kill this animal. Like that, Sotapanna stage, they are permanent. They are not shaking. Yes, morality permanent, and that stage is permanent inside, not the ego. In Sakadagami and Agami, no need to mention, no? Okay, I think for the time that enough, you can understand. And if you need clear Dhamma talk, I will prepare Dhamma talk for that. How to enlighten first from morality to up to Sugamendan stage, up to Arahant stage. I will mention step by step. And for the time being, it will be out 2, 3, 8% pass.
Okay. Madam, आपण बनतेंना प्रश्न, there is one more hand. Is it okay to take Bante?
Okay, sure.
Last question, yeah. विचारा.
वंदामी म्हणते सर, मी तुम्हालाच विचारते.
हा.
म्हणजे घरामध्ये जर थोडा प्रॉब्लेम्स असले, म्हणजे शेअर मार्केटमुळे समजा मनी लॉस आहे, तर हे पूर्वकर्म समजायचं का आपल्या जीवनातलं? ध्यानामुळे ध्यानात तर सगळं डिस्टर्बच होत आहे, मग म्हणजे मनामध्ये विचार येतो, हे ठीक आहे की आपण खूप शिकतोय त्याच्यातून, धम्म सोबत असल्यामुळे मी त्या सफर करते आहे, तर ठीक आहे, म्हणजे शिकू शकत आहे भरपूर. पण मनी लॉस होणं घरात खूप जास्त प्रमाणात, शेअर मार्केट, तर हे पूर्वकर्म आहे का? आणि याच्यातून निघायला काय मार्ग आहे? म्हणजे जसं व्यसन लागलं तर व्यसन सोडणं फार कठीण असते कुणालाही. भगवंतांनी सांगितलंय 5वं शील खूप हे आहे, तर त्याच्यासाठी आपण काय प्रार्थना करू शकतो दुसऱ्यांना सुधारण्यासाठी? स्वतः तर थोडं थोडं सुधारत आहोत, स्वतःला डिस्टर्ब होऊनही ठीक आहे, मार्गावर आहोत. बस हेच विचारायचंय, कसं करायचं?
The question is, Bante, she's saying that she lost money in the share market, and so she's saying that is it connected with the past karma, or it is connected with the Miss Paramita, and how to
One thing, not to cultivate in mindfulness, especially that everything is happening because of the past karma. Karma sakama no satta karma dayada karma yoni karma patu. That is you can mention. And adinadano bhikkhave asevito bhavito bahulikato yanikato apaya sangvattaniko hoti tirachane sangvattaniko hoti petisi sangvattaniko hoti yochako sabba lavasasa adinadanasa manusabhuta vipako bhogavesa sangvattaniko hoti. That is clearly mentioned that. In long samsara, continuously done stealing, chora, robber. That continues learn because of that effect was in long samsara in the head, and reduced income came to the animal life, many uncountable animal life. Reduced income came to the ghosts, hungry ghosts, many hungry ghosts life. Reduced income that way come to the human. In human, no any kinds properties. Always properties are lost in because of the past.
तर
Don't
भंतेंनी
try.
सांगितलं
Please practice 5 precept. On that, step by step, growing of properties.
पण ते म्हणतायत की अदिन्न दानाच्यामुळं बऱ्याच जन्मामध्ये आपण अदिन्न दान केलेलं असतं, चोरी केलेली असते. तर त्या कर्मामुळं आपल्याला हेलमध्ये पण जावं लागते, नरकात जावं लागते. तिथून जेव्हा कर्म कमी होतात, तर तिथून प्राण्यांच्या ह्याच्यात यावं लागतं. प्राण्यांच्या ह्याच्यामधून पिशाच्यांच्या ह्याच्यात यावं लागतं. जसे-जसे कर्म कमी-कमी होतात, जसे-जसे विपाक कमी होतात, त्याच्यानंतर हंग्री घोस्ट म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त लाईफ भेटत जातात आपल्याला. जशा-जशा विपाक कमी होत जातो, तशी-तशी ती पातळी पनिशमेंटची कमी होत जाते. त्याच्यानंतर आपण मनुष्य लोकामध्ये येतो. मनुष्य लोकामध्ये पण संपत्ती राहत नाही. कमी संपत्ती राहते, चोरी होते किंवा लॉस होतो. ते अदिन्न दानामुळे होतं. तर मग ते म्हणतायत की पंचशील तुम्ही कंटिन्यू प्रोटेक्ट करा, ऑटोमॅटिक वेल्थ ही वाढत जाईल. ओके मॅडम.
Okay.
येस
I think today it is enough for talking for the time being.
येस मॅडम. येस
And please mention to her that Kama Sakamana Satta Kamadayada, that Kamabang Sutta.
Yeah.
And do you need other interview? We can do that. It's
Bhante, we request you to please come every week one time for Dhamma talk and interview, so other meditator can progress, because today have the good network.
yes, actually can satisfy. Network is good now.
Yes, very good, Bhante. So if possible you come, then all the meditator can be encouraged.
Yes, we'll try. We'll try.
Yeah, there's a one person saying please visit us, inviting you.
Sorry.
One meditator saying please visit us, come here.
We'll try, but now I have so many work in the monastery and in the country. Many people are waiting for me, my answer, my question, the discussion with I'm busy. And now many invitation is there, Chinese and Malaysian, UK, all I am postponing. And after this 20th, we will observe in training period. After that, mostly I am out of the phone also, because we will common practice. Between that, I will try to come to the Zoom meeting at least once a week or twice a week. After we'll tend to Renin mention my schedule, and Brother Deepak, you can be satisfied.
Oh, very good, Bhante. Sadhu, sadhu. Very good, very good. That
Medicine,
medicine is working.
working.
Yeah, doctor told me that these three bottle are stronger than before earlier
Uh-huh.
medicine. So it will be recover. I think he said 80 to 90% with this three bottle.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and next medicine after the 45 days, your your disease fully recover.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
We'll see. Continue medicine.
स्टक झालंय.